In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create landing pages in Shopify, a powerful e-commerce platform. We will guide you through the whole process and get your landing pages up and running before you know it. The first thing you need to do is to navigate to the Pages section of your Shopify admin dashboard. To do this, go to Online Store, and from there, choose Pages. This is your first step on the path to creating a compelling landing page. After reaching your pages, your next step would be to create a new one by clicking on the option that says Add Page. This straightforward process will let you pave the way for your new landing page. Once you've chosen to add a new page, it's now time to give your page a little personality. You need to add a title and content to your page. For instance, you could name your page Summer Sale. The beauty of this step is, this is where you get to add text, images, and other relevant content using the text editor. Create something captivating that resonates with what you are advertising or showcasing on your page. Next, we need to choose how our page will look. This is where the Templates section kicks in. You can simply scroll down to this section and choose the default page template, or select a custom template if your theme provides one. Remember, a great layout can really entice customers and viewers, so choose wisely. Once you've added all the necessary details and aesthetics, it's time to make your efforts concrete by saving your page. Simply click on Save, and voila, you have your basic landing page ready. Now, if you wish to give your page an extra layer of customization, Shopify has an abundance of apps waiting for you to utilize. You would need to head to the Shopify App Store and search for a specific landing page app, like Pagefly or eComposer. These apps add a level of flexibility and design flair to your pages. After successfully installing your chosen app, it's time to launch it. You would just need to open the app from your Shopify admin or dashboard and start crafting your landing page. Within your chosen app, you would now have the choice to create a new page, either from a template or from scratch. These options allow you to customize your page to your exact needs. The next step is where the magic happens. With the app's drag-and-drop editor, you can add and customize sections, text, images, and even calls to action. Customize the layout however you see fit and make the page look enticing. As a final finishing touch, and when you're happy with every aspect of your design, it's time to make your landing page live. Just save and then publish the page. By doing so, your page now becomes available for all to see on the internet. And that's it. Through these detailed steps, you have created an engaging and sleek landing page on Shopify. Now sit back and watch as your engagement grows from your beautifully designed landing page.